How you cleaning it, man?
Oh, ain't that the most beautiful sound you ever seen? Look at that. It's all oiled.
You oiled it?
Yep. It don't take long to oil it.
Thread on there.
Oh, this thread's on the bobbin. This is the bottom thread.
Mm-hmm.
This right here is the top thread. See? You thread that, go down, put it in this little thing right here, and then you put it through the needle. If I can see. Already. Yep. Now, you use your foot to bring up the bottom thread. See? And this is good and tight. It's already been oiled. And then always put your threads to the back. Yep. Now it's ready to sew. Well, wait a minute. Let me straight stitch. I'll clean the feet those. Ready to stretch. Okay, 0 means to stretch. Alrighty then. Now we're getting somewhere. Letter A. Stitch the letter A. Okay, stitch length. Put it on the red zone. I'll take my shoe off because I'm not good at this. Okay, that's straight stitch. Which one? Oh, I needed to oil that, but I didn't. Okay, this one does that. The B, I'm sorry. D, it does that stitch. E does that stitch. That one. This is using embroidery a lot. This one right here is a G. And then see these little moons right here? Mm-hmm. That's H. And then this stitch, which is I, it does that. Like if you want to fill in something going like this. See?
Yeah.
So